Join us on Thursday, May 7th for the Branch Tool Webcast auction featuring real estate, CNC machining, grinding, and EDM equipment, including CNC grinders, Swiss-type automatic lathes, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, CNC turning centers, Robodrills, air compressors, bandsaw, forklifts, Vidmar cabinets, and much more. For more information, visit us at myronbowling.com or register for the auction at bidspotter.com.